welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, this is another birthday trip for baby girl. This is what we have left basically from what I can put together from the footage from both of our phones. So come on, let's see.
Thank you, yes. Amazing. Should we try out with some music from the top? Make it. Here we go. Let's go. Now put your hands up in the club. And now that place, you love it. If there's a point to being good, then where's why we want the good, the young and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck.
So we won't go. Do it again. Watch. I'll put one bunny in your hand. Close. I still have this bunny. Put this back. Oop, open your. That was good. One more. Watch. I'll give you two bunnies. Close. What's your name?
Shamira.
Shamira. What happens when Mama Bunny and Daddy Bunny love each other very, very much? And they had a bottle of wine. Open your hand.
We gonna do a sweep. No, my fan's gonna get wet. I can't go no deeper than this. It is beautiful out here. Say cheese.
Brasil, samba, come.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Pushing on my buttons, gas me up, give me motivation. Tell me where we come, pick it on the track. Gas me up, give me motivation. So every move, skin on the skin. No separation, no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything, it's automatic, going level to a high, nah, nah. Right, and wishing the wheels will fall off. Time is ticking me too long. Right before I decide to go. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come. Destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now come give me life. I'll change your heart. Step it up if you deserve me, yeah. Pull up and earn me. Push the start. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we come, pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation. Now give me life. bitch woo-wah. Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it woo-wah. Don't cheat it down and don't cheat it deep. Don't just supreme the spot. Woo-wah. Tell a bitch woo-wah. Step up in this bitch, I look woo-wah. Cop the New York.
Birthday! In the count of 3, happy birthday, Shamira! 1, 2, and 3! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Shamira! Happy birthday to you!
Tell a bitch woo-wah. Tell a bitch woo-wah.
Hey y'all, thank y'all for coming along with us on our cruise. I do hope you enjoyed. See you next video.
Tell a bitch woo-wah. Woo-wah. Tell a bitch woo-wah. Step up in this bitch, I look woo-wah.